I would love to know your thoughts on this. So in a couple years, do you think that we're going to look back on around this time period today, February 3rd, 2026, and we're going to say, hey, you remember when AI had a lot of these tech stocks drop 50%, 70%, and we should have bought when others were fearful, and now these stocks have recovered beautifully in 2028 or whatever year it might be in the future. Do you think this is going to happen, or am I way off here? Because some of these stocks today have dropped, just today, 20%, 10%. And I have to put these stocks on your watch list because they are approaching major support. And I could see a bounce happening just from a technical analysis perspective, even if you're just a short-term trader. I want to talk about these stocks. I'm going to talk about the best ones first, but please let me know in the comments what you think about these stocks. Because honestly, if the majority of people are saying, yes, man, these stocks are over, they're gonna die, I'm probably gonna buy them because I want to be a contrarian always, but be correct. So there's a good reason for sometimes these stocks to drop. And the exponential rate of improvement with AI makes me think, damn, what's going to happen in just 2 months from now? But I love Claude and Anthropic. They use in their organization some of these stocks that are dropping, some of these companies. So, but again, yeah, maybe they're going to go extinct because let's say Anthropic isn't advanced enough to replace all of the other companies that they're using, but I just don't see it. So I'm going to start with the first stock here, ticker symbol NOW, ServiceNow. According to AI, $113 a share is fair value. And I'm not in any of these stocks that I'm going to talk about today, so there's no conflict of interest. I'm not trying to sway you in any way, but man, these become a no-brainer at some point. Maybe that point will never occur. But ServiceNow is currently $109 a share. This green line right here is very important that you understand why I like to have the IPO anchored VWAP showing, because Ken Griffin, who is a billionaire American investor, one of the best money managers of all time, said in his testimony to Congress in 2021 that today, virtually all trades executed by institutional investors are in the form of program trades, such as VWAP and other algorithm trades. Griffin said VWAP trades are not large trades. It is not like there are 10 million shares to be bought. It is a trade that is sliced into small slices, 100 or 200 shares, and executed over the course of a day, a week, or a month. This is the 3-month chart. Every chart I show today is going to be a 3-month chart. So there's still basically 2 months left for this candle to close. This could wick up and close right here. That will be a 10% move. But the reason why ServiceNow, which is a cloud platform for automated business workflows across IT, HR, customer service using AI, is dropping is because AI disruption fears spooked investors despite strong Q4 earnings beat with raised guidance. If you type in Deadnsyde ServiceNow stock analysis, I did a video going into great detail on what this company does and the catalyst to look out for. But watch for this $95 range. But this could be a stock that does well over time. I will go into a deeper dive with this stock, but I believe that the CEO just said that he's going to be spending $20 million buying stock, and they're going to be having a $2 billion buyback program initiated soon. But this stock is at support right now. Again, watch this $95 range, but I would not be surprised for this to wick back up at $122. Not financial advice, just watch list advice. The next stock is Adobe, ticker symbol ADBE, on major support. Again, the 3-month chart, currently $271.93. Here's the IPO AVWAP. We might find support at this $242 range. If you're just a huge fan of Photoshop, you don't think Adobe's going anywhere, watch for this $181 range. I did my due diligence on Adobe stock. Type in Deadnsyde, Adobe stock analysis, if you want to learn more about that company. Next, we have Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM. Check this out. 3-month chart. This is the IPO AVWAP. Watch for support here at this $188 range. Salesforce is a cloud customer relation management software for sales, marketing, and customer service. Why did they drop? They hit a new, fresh 52-week low during this software sector sell-off, despite raising Q4 guidance. But the pros, AI Agentforce platform targeting 1 billion agents, expanding margins and stable free cash flow. 76% of analysts rate buy/strong buy. Cons, market uncertain about AI monetization timeline, down 38% over past year. So the momentum is not on your side, hitting new lows. Guidance beat didn't stop the bleeding, but this is down 46% from its highs. And whenever a stock is above this IPO anchored VWAP, sometimes can be a sign like, hey, buyers are in control. When it gets under here, buyers are not in control anymore. That's one way to look at it. But that's just from a technical analysis perspective. We're not talking about the environment or the business or the fundamentals. But the number one indicator that's helped me just from backtesting determine if the stock market is really undervalued is when there's more insider buying than insider selling. It rarely happens. The last time it happened was in 2020. And then the last time before that, it happened in 2008. But just keep an eye on insider buying with a lot of these stocks. But I'll try my best to keep you guys updated regardless. The next stock is ticker symbol CSU, Constellation Software. Acquires and holds niche vertical software companies long-term. TTM revenue reflects a company's earnings over the last 12 months. They have 10 billion of TTM revenue, a proven model with over 780 deals. Attractive valuation. Keep an eye on this stock after February 5th when they report earnings. Cons, AI disruption fears hitting traditional software. Management transition consideration at scale, and the momentum is not on your side. But I saw this a while back. Look at their free cash flow. I love the way that's trending. So this could find support at $1,900 or might wick back up here and find support at this $2,600 range. So Shopify is getting really close. The way we're falling, I shouldn't say really close, but the way we're dropping, we might be here next week. Watch for this $95 range. A lot of people love Shopify, the e-commerce platform for merchants, online stores, payments, inventory, shipping tools. Strong 41% revenue compound annual growth rate, AI-powered checkout and merchant tools rolling out. Cons, stretched valuations, margin pressure from low margin payments business, intense competition. Feel free to set an alert at $70 even as well. Might see a bounce there, but that's a long way down. Now look at ticker symbol TEAM, T-E-A-M, Atlassian, the team collaboration software, Jira, Confluence, Trello, Bitbucket. We actually use this with my company, TrackTrain. Strong 21% TTM revenue growth. Median analyst sees 125% upside. And we are at major support right now. Next level might be this $85.50 range. But just want to give you these quick updates. Next, we have ticker symbol INTU, Intuit. Ever heard of TurboTax, QuickBooks, Credit Karma, MailChimp? It's a financial software. Oppenheimer cut price target to $696 from $868. Pros, strong Q1 fiscal year 2026. Revenue up 18%. EPS beat, growing reoccurring revenue from QuickBooks Live and AI. Dominant market position in tax and accounting software. No brainer on why this is down. AI disruption risks to core tax accounting software. I personally would not be interested in this stock, but the contrarians in this business are the ones that make a lot of money when they correct. They're the ones who outperform when they are correct. So if you are a bull with ticker symbol INTU, please leave a comment. Tell me what is everyone missing? Now, this next one is a company that I am convinced is not going anywhere anytime soon, and that is Oracle, ticker symbol ORCL, but we're a long way from any major support. So keep an eye on this $92.98 range. So again, forgive me for giving these quick updates, but let me just give you an example on a stock that I made money on that I completely forgot about, but then my alert went off and I made some money on it. So this is Grow Generation, ticker symbol GRWG, and I'll just show you how I trade some of these setups. So this is a Mary Jane stock. And in 2017, ticker symbol GRWG was flirting with this $1.50 range, and it came really close, $1.57. And I didn't buy it because I wasn't even watching it. I just had an alert set from years ago, and then it went up and then it came down. And right when it touched that level, you see that on December 30th, I bought it exactly at $1.50, and then it had this 24% bounce. But this is a penny stock, so it'll move a lot. And I'm not saying I sold it right here at the top, but I did make a little bit of money. But then look, it came all the way down. So there's several different ways to trade these, what I'm trying to say. So I just want to give those sort of updates to that type of trader. So you have the dead cat bounce with some of these stocks, maybe Intuit is one of them, but then you also have once in a lifetime buy opportunities with some of these solid companies like Oracle, but it's all about the price. They have explosive AI demand, creating huge revenue backlog, cloud revenue up 27% year over year, multi-year contracts with top AI companies. But why did it drop? Well, they dropped when they announced plans for a capital raise linked to AI data center investments. And there's some rumors circulating around Oracle, and maybe this is the prick that pops the AI bubble, but it's just good to watch these. Cons, high debt to equity ratio. Morgan Stanley slash target to $213. Layoff rumors. Morgan Stanley said $213, and we're currently $154. So $138 might be good, but watch for this $92 range. And if it really tanks, watch for this $59.42 range. Anchored IPO VWAP is $50.21. So watch for this $45, $50 price range, but we might not ever get there. CrowdStrike looks good at $334.27. Major support there. CrowdStrike is the cloud cybersecurity with AI-powered threat detection company. And the biggest pro is dominant market position with strong moat. Their customer retention is insane. It's like 98%. I just talked about it in another video. And I have a lot of other stocks here. Ticker symbol SAP, Autodesk, ADSK, Palo Alto Networks, ticker symbol PANW, Workday, ticker symbol WDAY, Cadence Design Systems, ticker symbol CDNS, Twilio, TWLO, and Synopsys, SNPS, but nothing really jumped out at me. I just wanted to go over the stocks that I think are definitely worth your attention. As for me, the number one stock I'm watching from this list is ServiceNow, ticker symbol NOW. If I do buy it, I'll definitely let you know. Consider subscribing, and I'll keep you updated. Thanks.